3 bully sticks. We have 3 dogs. Frank, kennel up. Good boy. Alright, Joey's first. With this second. Oh wait, you have to shut it just so he can run off. Frank can be second. Frank. Yes. Out of the way, Papa.
Everybody move.
Buddha is usually very happy. Buddha, sit. Yay, bully stick. I'm gonna take it. Oh, there it goes. Where you going? Where you going? There he is. There he is. Have you got your bully stick? Have you got your bully stick, Buddha? Look at that tail. Buddha. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. And then, oh, there's Joey. Good boy, Buddha. Good boy. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Whoa. He said, give me that. Good boy. Good boy, Buddha.